In this video, I will show you how to view LinkedIn profiles anonymously in LinkedIn's private mode. To prevent LinkedIn from notifying others that you viewed their profile, you can activate private mode. This feature allows you to browse profiles anonymously, appearing as an anonymous LinkedIn member to those whose profiles you visit. Here's how to enable this mode on both desktop and mobile platforms. On desktop, log into your LinkedIn account. Click on your profile picture or the Me icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Click on the Visibility tab on the left side. Select Profile Viewing Options. You will see three options. Your name and headline displays your full profile information. Private Profile Characteristics shows limited information like job title and industry. Private Mode makes your profile completely anonymous. Select Private Mode. Your settings will save automatically. On mobile, open the LinkedIn app and log in. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Select Settings. Select Visibility. Go to Profile Viewing Options. Select Private Mode to browse anonymously. Once you have activated Private Mode, your visits will be anonymous, and you will not appear in the Who's Viewed Your Profile section of other users' accounts. Using Private Mode is a great way to maintain privacy while browsing profiles for networking or research purposes without revealing your identity.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.